The wind is kicking, not a nice day. Overcast makes for exposure shots overly exposed. Wouldn't you want color to show what you're filming? I sure do. So I'm going to adjust some of my settings down a little bit more to try to make it look like I see what it looks through the eyes of a DJI Osmo Action 3. Shooting on Pro, color enhanced, and EV value bumped up to negative 1.0. And that's how I feel I should look here. I should be darker. The video before this shot was at negative 0.03 or 7. I believe it was 7. Yeah. And it wasn't color enhanced. So yeah, that's still not going to be showing because everything just is like overexposed. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining me today on this wonderful, windy, cold, nasty, wet day. Yeah, man, I'm struggling to pedal. Maybe the wind sounds good for the camera using an external microphone. And speaking of external microphones, oh yeah, the Rode Wireless Go 2. Oh man, I don't know what was the matter with the one I had. I tried everything. I just didn't like it. And I like my Go. So I opened up my Go, put a can of air onto the switch. Seems to be working right now. But I'm looking at the DJI wireless mic. Oh yeah, man, it's so tempting. I even looked at the DD Pocket, man. I'm like saying, that's like almost expensive as the Rode. You don't get much more, but you get a color of choice. Yeah. All right, so I'll decide what I like to get. And I'm just undecided right now when I watch people's videos. Oh man, what mics are they using when they show you that DJI mic? One person I watched, man, let me tell you, right in his comment, Video Micro by Rode, and he's showing the DJI, and he sounds so crisp and clear. But when he goes over to the Rode, it's a different sound. And I'm watching this other person, and he's doing a video, and his sound is so crisp and clear. And when he's doing the DJI, it doesn't sound as crisp and clear. So something gives. What gives, people? What are you using to make that sound so crisp and clear? And when you use that company's mic that you want to sell, show, share, does it sound like it's supposed to be? I got like mixed emotions each video I watch. And do I decide on those videos or just I do like everybody else does? Go get one and then go return. I tell you, it's not, yes, it is the right thing to do because when you go to the store and you want to go try that wireless mic out, it's all locked up, ready to sell behind closed doors. And when you look on the shelves, hey, can I try that out? I got my camera here. I like to hook it up. Oh, no, you have to purchase it. If you don't like it, you can return it. Even the salesperson tells you you can return it. What gives, people? But you got this one person over here in the comments, and they make their remark. They never returned an item ever in their life. They spit out their baby food because they didn't like it. But they don't say they didn't like it. They cry and cry because they don't get their own way. And, you know, they're the ones that do more returns than you can imagine. Oh, yeah. If you get something used, it's just not satisfied. If it's a $1 item or a $10,000 item, you have all the rights underneath that return policy to say, I'm not satisfied. And that is the American way. Now, over here, why do we have a warranty period that is not long enough like overseas, which is double? And they don't cry overseas. And that's the people that you see posting down below. Oh man, they will cry once their 2-year warranty is over. Oh, my camera don't work no more. There's nothing more I can say to you about that. I can't believe my mic system is well over 2+ years old and still working strong. And yeah, when I opened it up, I blew that air in there, and it's just doing a good job right now until I finish my 4 things I got to do today. It's that quiet. I got nothing else to do. Those 4 things. Oh, I got 2 more to do. I got 6 really to do. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy my peaceful time for today. It's time to pack up, put away. It's a rainy day. I said a lot, did a lot, talked a lot on this short time. Yeah. Well, I am going to do some more research today and take my time, make my personal decision for myself, improve my gear. Oh yeah. I'll catch up in the other videos and later to come.